Did you know that a tiny neem seed can grow into a beautiful tree that provides greenery and shade for years? In today's video, I'll show you the easiest way to grow a healthy neem plant in a pot at home. Step 1. Choose fresh seeds. Start by collecting fresh, fully ripe neem fruits. Remove the pulp and use the fresh seeds, as they usually have a better chance of germinating than old or dried seeds. Step 2. Prepare the pot and soil. Choose an 8 to 12 inch pot with drainage holes. Prepare a well-draining potting mix. 50% garden soil. 30% vermicompost. 20% river sand or cocoa peat. Mix everything thoroughly until the soil is light and loose. Step 3. Plant the seed. Make a hole about 1 inch deep in the center of the pot. Place the neem seed inside and cover it lightly with soil. Water gently so the soil becomes evenly moist, but avoid waterlogging. Step 4. Provide sunlight. Once the seed germinates, place the pot where it receives 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight every day. Neem grows best in bright, sunny conditions. Step 5. Watering. Neem doesn't need daily watering. Water only when the top layer of soil feels dry to the touch. Avoid overwatering, as it can damage the young roots. Step 6. Fertilizing. Feed the plant every 30 to 40 days with vermicompost or well-decomposed organic compost to encourage healthy growth. Deciduous tree. Step 7. Plant care. As the neem plant grows bigger, transplant it into a larger pot or into the ground if space is available. Remove any dry or damaged branches occasionally to keep the plant healthy. Microphone ending. Follow these simple steps, and in a few months, you'll have a healthy neem plant growing at home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. In the next video, we'll learn how to keep a tulsi, holy basil, plant green and healthy all year round. See you in the next one.